हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस। आपका स्वागत है और हम लोग आज सॉल्व करें आईआईटी जेई एडवांस का पेपर 1 और क्वेश्चन 1 हमने ले लिया है। तो चलिए हमको क्या दिया गया है देख लेते हैं। तो एफ एक्स इज गिवन a1 प्लस 10x प्लस a2x स्क्वायर प्लस a3x क्यूब प्लस x4. This is fx given. Okay. Now we have gx, that is b1 plus 3x x square plus b3 x cube plus x4 और एच एक्स हम लोग को क्या दिया गया है, f of x plus 1 minus g x plus 2. So and it's given to us that fx is not equal to gx. So we have to find the coefficient of x cube. So then first what we will do, we will use the binomial. We will use the binomial expansion. So fx plus 1 is a1 plus 10 x plus 1 plus a2 x plus 1 square plus a3 x plus 1 cube plus x plus 1 4. Okay, now what we need to do from this, we need to extract the coefficient of x cube from this. So we will expand the relevant terms only for this. So what we will do, 10x plus 1. So that is 10x plus 10. So what it does, it contributes 0 to x cube. This is first. Second, a2 x plus 1 square. So that a2 a square plus 2x plus b square. So it contributes 0 to, and third one, a3 x plus 1 cube. So that will become, again the formula with respect to this we will put on and find out. So here we see that it contributes finally a3 to x cube. Okay, and finally we are having x plus 1 4. So that is x4 plus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. So it contributes 4 to x cube. Okay, so now the coefficient of x cube, the coefficient of x cube in fx plus 1 will be a3 plus 4, which we have got, correct. So now we will expand g of x plus 2. Okay, so then expanding g of x plus 2, so gx plus 2 will be plus so here again we will extract the coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube. So 3x plus 2 is 3x plus 6. So what we see, it contributes 0 to x cube. Okay, next we are having b2 x plus 2 square. So it's b2 plus 4. And what does it contributes? It contributes again 0 to x cube. Then third